claims that they original, but they really just like everyone else. And see, I played that game for a minute too, till I decided I was gonna be who I was created to be, unorthodox. So what's up with you? Unorthodox, trace back my earlier roots. My grandparents immigrated for food, not for loot. It ain't cute when you ain't got nothing to eat, got no spiritual foundation under your feet.
Man, that's some real heat.
They had no heat.
Man, that's some real street.
They had no street, they had no Christ, they had no peace. But then they met him, now they really know peace. The new worldview broke tradition. The new worldview promote cultural suspicion. The new worldview, it even brought division. But that same worldview got you listening. It was passed down from my parents to me. I got this unorthodox family tree. You get down with the movement, you can be fan with me. We trying to make this music to make the people free. Unorthodox, we rock your city blocks, we rock your rooftops, we rock your boom box. Unorthodox, we shake your shell tops, we shake your top rock, we shake your boom box. Unorthodox, we break your old clocks, we break your hard knocks, we break your old lies. Unorthodox, we break your stereotypes, we shake a stereo right, we let you know Christ rocks. Grew up a pastor's kid, aka a PK, and Billy Kid, it's hip-hop every day. It's so easy to stray with no street lights. Found myself browsing the wrong sites. Some long nights, spiritually some real fights, till I stopped fighting and I dropped my rights and got connected and let him edit my profile. MySpace used to be so wild, it's so wild how a software can clean your hard drive and make you a new child. This new community with all the friends I've made. Check my music player, all the songs they played, all the comments saved, my tour dates, all the places I played. It's an unorthodox page, cause of the path he paid, cause of the price he paid. My lifestyle reps Christ, cause of the life he gave. Unorthodox, we rock your city blocks, we rock your rooftops, we rock your boom box. Unorthodox, we shake your shell tops, we shake your top rock, we shake your boom box. Unorthodox, we break your old clocks, we break your hard knocks, we break your old lies. Unorthodox, we break your stereotypes, we shake a stereo right, we let you know Christ rocks. On my journeys, people ask my occupation, I tell them I'm a pastor and an artist, there's amazement. Engagement, sometimes I wish I could take their look and frame it. They can't picture a cat that's braided, cause the old school presentation got them jaded. But so many people waited for a ministry out the box, with no cultural locks. Crossover church, unorthodox dreadlocks, fades and fitteds. A multicultural faith community that's committed to the Great Commandment and the Great Commission. We orthodox in our beliefs, but not in our vision. We in the biblical context and not tradition, cause we're more concerned about your heart's condition. We got a passion from God, so we're purpose driven. We look just like you, but we found what's missing. Unorthodox, we rock your city blocks, we rock your rooftops, we rock your boom box. Unorthodox, we shake your shell tops, we shake your top rock, we shake your boom box. Unorthodox, we break your old clocks, we break your hard knocks, we break your old lies. Unorthodox, we break your stereo